LG Smart TV supports universal control, so you can use the Magic Remote Control to control a set-top box, Blu-ray player, or home theater. Let's look at how to set up the universal control feature. First, on the smart home, select the universal control icon in the My apps. Go to Set the Universal Control and then select the type of device that you want to set up. Select the input port that the device is connected to and choose a service or manufacturer. Test to make sure that the remote control works and then exit the Set the Universal Control menu. After setting up the universal control, you should try using the Magic Remote Control to operate the device. Press the Q menu button on the Magic Remote Control to open the screen remote and then select the button for the external device. The screen remote should change into the remote control for that external device. Now you can use the screen remote to operate the device. You can also use some of the buttons on the Magic Remote Control to operate external devices. The universal control lets you conveniently operate and control multiple external TV devices registered to your TV.